Hey everybody, it's Bartender Bryn giving you the next installment of our fall cocktail series. Today I am making a cinnamon maple whiskey sour. You do not want to miss this one, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to corkandjava.com, where your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you guys hit subscribe so you never miss a video, and hit that little bell so you are notified when our videos come out. All right, so the next installment of our fall cocktail series, I'm making a cinnamon maple whiskey sour. Whiskey sours are one of my favorite cocktails just because they're so easy. And I like this little spin on one. The cinnamon and the maple syrup really make this a fall feeling cocktail. So it's really simple. All you're gonna do, fill your cocktail shaker halfway with ice. I've got about 1 ounce of lemon juice here. It's about the juice of 1 small lemon. So just throw that in there. I'm gonna use the Bulleit Bourbon for this one. Doing a shot of that. And then this is where the kicker comes in. You're going to use probably about a shot of maple syrup. Hopefully it's not too sweet. I haven't actually tried this yet. You could use, it said up to 1 ounce of maple syrup in the recipes that I was looking at. And then just a few dashes of cinnamon. All right, now we're just going to give it a good shake. Strain it over a glass of ice. All right, and then for good measure, you can just throw an extra little dash of cinnamon on top. And if you wanted to garnish with a lemon slice, that would be perfect for a whiskey sour. All right, so here we go. Give it a little taste. Oh wow, this is really good. Okay, so truth be told, I'm not a huge maple syrup fan. I find it to be a little bit like too sickly sweet. It's perfect in this drink. It really complements the bourbon like perfectly. And that like nice little dash of cinnamon too, like really just like gives a little punch. I love it. Like I said, I am partial to whiskey sours, but whoa, this is good. This is like a perfect fall time whiskey sour. Love it. We'll definitely be making this one again. All right, so I used Bulleit in this this cocktail, but let me know what your favorite bourbon is for making your whiskey sours or your cocktails. I'd love to know what you like to use. Also, make sure that you guys find us online. We are on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and newly on Instagram. We've got great content in all those places, so do not miss out. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.